What's up, everyone? I've been kind of going through some of my Xbox 360s. I found 5 of them, kind of dug them out. I have some other ones that are in various stages of repair and disassembled. These are the 5 complete ones that I have, and I'm just kind of going through them to see what I have that's any good. Let's see, the top 3 here all work. This one works. Reads disk, 4 gig. This one works, but that was an original 250, so there's no internal memory at all on that one, and that one's another 4 gig. But kind of sold one over the weekend, so I have to get another one ready to put together and get it ready to take down and sell. I knew I had another good working one. I just got another good power supply in, so I have my spare, and now I have another one. I kind of bought a box of stuff, and there was another power supply in there, so I got lucky and don't have to buy a new one, because I think those are the only 2 I have now, so I can put one together and get it ready and take it down. Like I said, this one works, reads discs and everything, so that's the one we're going to use. The 2 on the top, if I can find a hard drive. I know I have hard drives, but I don't have any enclosures, so I may have to buy some enclosures so I can put some hard drives together for these. And this was a 4 gig. I can take it down just the way it is as a 4 gig and sell it that way. They can worry about putting a hard drive in it if they want. But what we're going to do today is we have to work on a nasty controller to get working for our Xbox 360. The wired one, that's my test. Mad Cats. This one, everything's all nasty on it. I don't even know where this one came from. Probably came in a box of crap. And as you can see, we got some rust going on down in here, so we got to tear this one down, get it all cleaned up, get the buttons working on it. I don't even know if this one works. I can't even get it to sync or anything, but I think it's because it's rusty. Needs new thumb pads and cleaned up, and we need to see this. There's still returns really good, so I'm gonna say that stick is still good. It just needs new pads on it. Triggers, triggers, button, whatever. That one, there it goes. Yeah, that one will work. That should be all right too. This is the one that's always wore out on them. Get that button, the shoulder, and the joystick there, right there, is usually what's all wore out on these. So what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can't get that fixed up and working, so we'll have a complete system, and I can clean it all up and take it down and sell it. So I'm going to get you set up as normal, and we're going to start tearing this down and see what we have to do to get that one working. I guess I should have told you about the bottom 2 before I took them off here. This one powers up, tray comes out and everything, but no video. So at some point we'll have to get into this one and find out why we don't have any video. I tried the HDMI and AV, and I still no video on that one. Bottom one, red dot. Red dot, we can probably fix that one too. The video, not sure. That'll probably be one of the last ones that we work on throughout the summer. So you're going to be seeing some of these. The other 2 I probably won't show anything unless I have to do a nasty controller, put one together. But this one, like I said, this one, no video, probably be the last one. Red dot, I'm pretty sure I know how to fix the red dot. It's been a while, but at some point we'll get into that and fix a red dot. So now I'm going to get you set up, and we're going to work on a controller. Alright, we got our controller. Got our tote full of fun here. All that is just a tote full of 360 parts that I save every one of my old controllers that don't work. These have that special Torx that has the pin in the middle. Not sure of the size because my card's missing out of my security bits. Security bits. Ezark 145 and 1, which really comes in handy when you're doing a lot of this smaller stuff that's got some funky security bits in it. But like I said, I save all of them. I get some of them that are, you know, water damaged and the chip's bad on the board. They won't sync because of it. So I tear them down and usually end up stealing parts out of them for ones that I can rebuild and fix. So I've always got a really good supply of parts for the 360 controllers. I have one. I've done these on the channel before. I really enjoy doing these. That one's still a good sticker. Usually try and save the sticker just by peeling it open a little bit, enough to get my screwdriver in there. That way I can kind of lay it back down on there, and it, you know, you can still tell that somebody's been in it, but it looks better. This thing is so nasty. Hand gunk's got it glued together. God. Yeah. Motors. Vibratory motors. Okay, so far doesn't look terrible. Like I said, there's so much gunk in this thing, you can't even get it out. Another thing what happens is this, when the center screw gets tightened down and it swells up the plastic, and then it holds it right here in the middle. This guy right here. Sure. Shoot it across the garage. Look at that. It's like somebody spilt pop on it. Which is not surprising. Let's see. We need to see if we can get this thing to power up. Okay, I got my external power supply set at 3 volts. That's we may have a bad one. God, come on. There we go. Let's see if we can. Yeah. So I do believe we're in good condition. Good shape. Alright, so let's see. Let's get the board cleaned up first, and we'll go from there. I need to dig out another controller so I can steal the battery connections out of it. Alright, I just got some dish soap in here right now. We'll get them cleaned up. you don't want to see that one. Alright, that one cleaned up. So that one had some pop on it, so we only have to replace that rusty one there. And I have a piece of crap here that it's got a little bit here, but I think contact itself is still good, so I think we'll use that one. I hate to tear. I only have 2 good boards left in my goodie box that can be built into good controllers, and I'm kind of running out of. Thought I had more. I may have more stashed somewhere else in another tote. So we're going to change. We're going to take it off of here and put it on this one, and that should give us a good board to put together. Need to find thumb pads. Let me go find thumb pads. Alright, small bag of thumb pads. Black ones too. We're going to make it all blacked out. Be black on black. Let's see, that's our good one. That's the one I need to take that off. So let's see if my soldering gun will reach over to here. Use that one. That one stinks. And yeah. Now, hopefully, this doesn't get too hot on the fingers. Perfect. Junk. Now, let's get our cleaned up really nice, which they normally do. They don't get real bad. I've had them with all kind of pop. Why? Nope. That's right, Y is up top. A button. B. Whoops. Red B. Sorry about that. D-pad squishy. D-pad contact. There's my little kitty out there. She hates the rain. Because it starts thundering. And she does not like thunder. And so whenever it starts raining, she'll start crying. She knows where I'm at. She'll come in. Motor. Vibratory motor. Let's get a couple of screws in it. Battery pack. Oh, I just had a couple of batteries. Alright. Down, up. That's better. Alright, let's get the screws back, the rest of the screws in it. We'll get our 360 up here. see if we did any good. I was pretty sure it was going to sink. I don't get too many of them that don't sink. See? There's one thing about 360 controllers. They can get pretty beat up and get crap dumped on them, full of hand gunk. And you can take them and rebuild them. I have absolutely no luck with PlayStation controllers. That's why, to me, these are 360 controllers, and the old Xbox controllers are one of the best ones out there. For the simple fact is, you can fix them. Now, I know there's guys out there that are going to say, well, they're easy to fix, I can fix them. You know, I can't, so I don't even mess with them. I get them in. If they don't work, they go in the dumpster. Dumpster food. Okay, let me get the 360 up here. We'll get her hooked up. In fact, I can just set that stuff down. Get you where you can see. Turn it on. Sink. And it sink right away. You still can't see squat, can you? Let me get you turned a little bit more. There we go. Alright, we're in good shape. Now we got us a controller. Now all I've got to do is wipe that thing down. I don't think I'm going to need to tear that one apart, so I think we're in good shape. Alright, so now we got us a good controller, good system, or a good console, I should say, and with the console, the controller, and power brick and all that, we have a nice system. Not turn off Xbox One? Okay. And trust me, I am not going to play. Because I am no good at playing games. You've heard me say that before. I'm okay when it comes to playing Mario Brothers, you know, on the NES and stuff like that. The joysticks and all that I could never really get a hold of. I don't know, I just never played enough to to want to, you know, get good at it. So unfortunately I don't play any of the new games. I play NES and Super NES. Now the N64 I was okay with playing it. I didn't mind playing with the three-handed controller. GameCube pretty much the same. You know, you don't have to use the joysticks. You can use D-pad and buttons. But I enjoy working on them and getting them going and working like they should. So I guess that counts as something. But yeah, so now we have another system to take down, and hopefully we sell it and we have to put another one together. I think I got a couple more controllers I can fix and get up and running. But after that, I'm going to start needing controllers. And the Xbox 360 controllers are usually out of stock every time I want to order a couple, just to have a couple new ones to hang on the board down there to sell. So that's the way it goes. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Just a quick one of you know, rebuilding a controller like I do on a lot of these, just getting them up and running and fixed, new thumb pads and whatever else they need. So until next time, I hope to see you on the next one, and everybody have a great week. Till then, see ya.